are three things I do when my life falls apart. Number one, I cry my eyes out and dry up my heart. Not until I do this will my new life start. So that's the first thing that I do when my life falls apart. The second thing I do is I close both of my eyes and say my thank yous to each and every moment of my life. I go where I know that love is and let it fill me up inside. Gathering new strength from sorrow, I'm glad to feel alive. Things are looking up. I know beyond the clouds the sun is shining. Things are looking up. Oh, love is still the answer. I'm relying on three little things. I take a breath and bow and I let the chapter end. I design my future bright, not by where my life has been. And I try again. Yes, I try again. Things are looking up. I know beyond the dark the sun is rising. Things are looking up. I know above the clouds that sun is shining on. Things are looking up. Oh, love is still the answer. I'm relying on three little things.
Qué chulada de ventanas, verdad de Dios.